Angle between which two lines we use to
Axis and
find the
generator.
equation of pole? Very good. Very good. So we are going to use the angle between lines, axis and generator. I gave you one question for homework. Have you tried it? Vertex is given to you. This is the theta. This is your axis, and this is the generator. So only one question I have given. Please go through it if you have not gone till now. That's an important question. Okay. Vertex is given to you, and theta is also given to you. Axis equation also is given to you. Then we make use of the formula cos theta. Cos theta is equal to direction ratios of the general generator. So if x, y, z is any point on the general generator and alpha, beta, gamma are the vertex points, then the direction ratios we use this formula a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. It's all this concept. Is really how we get this formula. And then using this formula, we should know what are the direction ratios of the two lines. A1, B1, C1, and A2, B2, C2 are nothing but direction ratios of the two lines which has angle theta between them. So these are the two lines. Generator is one line and axis is the second line. So what are the direction ratios of generator? We know that if I have 2 points on any line, then the direction ratios are subtraction of the points. So x minus alpha, y minus beta, z minus gamma are the direction ratios of generator. Okay, and direction ratios of axis will be given to you. Like for example, the equation of the axis will be x minus alpha by a equal to y minus beta by b is equal to z minus gamma by c. Because x, y, z is any point here, alpha, beta, gamma also lies on the axis, and a, b, c are the direction ratios of the line axis. So what are the direction ratios? Direction ratios of the axis are a, b, c. When you substitute this and this here, you get the value of theta which is given. If it is given, directly substitute. If it is not given, then we have seen the examples of pentagon also. What will be there? One more point will be given, say like 1 and 2 and so on. So that subtraction will give the direction ratios of this line. Axis direction ratios you know. So with the help of this formula again, we are going to find theta. Then use the direction ratios of general generator and substitute and get the equation of pole. Is this okay? Is the concept clear to everyone? How do we get the equation of right circular pole?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me give you one quick question recap of this. And now in this question, this is another new type of concept. So directly you won't be given theta. You'll have to first find theta and then you have to go for finding the equation of pole. So take down. Please write down quickly. Okay. Lines are drawn. Lines are drawn from origin. Lines are drawn from origin with direction cosines. Lines are drawn from origin with direction cosines proportional to 1 to 2, 1 to 2, second 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, and third is 3, 4, 12. 3, 4, 12. Find the direction cosines of the right circular cone. Find the direction cosines of axis of right circular cone through these lines, and find the semi-vertical angle. Find the semi-vertical angle. Okay, so after you find semi-vertical angle, you know how to go about. You have to use the equation of general generator. Once you get theta, in this question theta is not given. So first you have to find theta. Once you find theta, same formula you have to use again. But that time you have to use the direction ratios of general generator, that is x minus alpha, y minus beta, z minus gamma, and direction ratios of the axis are ABC. That can be substituted here and you get the equation of right circular cone. Is this okay? Clear to everyone? If you know theta, you can go ahead quickly. Just substitute theta. A1, B1, C1 will be ABC and A2, B2, C2 will be X minus alpha, Y minus beta, Z minus gamma. Now, what is alpha, beta, gamma? Alpha, beta, gamma is the vertex. Okay? But in this example, what is given to you? Is theta given to you? Read the question.
No.
You are given three. Yeah, you are not given the theta. So first you have to find theta. Are you given one more point on the cone and vertex and axis? That is also not given. So let us draw and see what is given to us. We are given that we are given three lines. Okay, vertex is given, origin, I suppose. Lines are drawn from origin to this line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So lines are drawn from origin. This is say line 1, this is line 2, and this is line 3. This is your axis, the one which is fixed. This is your axis which is making same angle with all these lines. Is it okay? So L1, L2, L3 are given to you, vertex is given to you, axis is not given. Axis is not given. So you have to first find what are the direction cosines of the axis. What are the direction cosines of the axis? So what is the relation that you know between these lines and axis? What type of cone we are talking about? Right circular cone. So tell me what is the relation between line 1 and the axis? Say
Then
L.
their theta is same, so we can equate.
Very good. So all the angles L1 with L, L2 with L, and L3 with L. You try to imagine it as a three-dimensional object. Then all the angles made by these are equal. So theta is the angle of L1 with L is theta, L2 with L is also theta, L3 with L is also theta. So what you can do is you can use this formula. Cos theta is equal to product of the direction ratios upon the square. So what is given to you? The lines are having direction cosines proportional. Direction cosines किसको proportional रहते हैं? Direction ratios को, बराबर?
Yes.
So direction ratios of line 1 are the numbers which are given to you. What are those? Tell me the number. L1 and
1,
1, 2, 2.
yeah. The direction ratios of L2.
2, 3,
What are those? That is also given.
2,
2, 3, 6. And what are the direction ratios of line 3?
3, 4,
3, 4, 12.
3, 4, 12. This is given to you. Okay. So let us assume, let's say A, B, C are direction ratios of axis. Okay. Then what do you know? What do you know is cos theta is equal to A into the product upon their square roots. Then cos theta is equal to B into this product upon square root. This formula uses. Because all of them, line 1, line 2, line 3 are making equal angle with axis. So what is the first equation that I get? Cos theta is equal to A into 1 plus B into 2 plus C into 2 divided by root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square into root of A square plus B square plus C square. Is it okay? समझ में आया क्या? Axis और line 1 use किया मैंने. I used line 1 and axis. So I got this equation. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, L2 and axis again is same angle. So what will be the relation? A into 2, so 2A plus 3B plus 6C will be square root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square into root of A square plus B square plus C square. ये भी cos theta ही होगा. Correct?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
why aren't we using direction cosines, I mean LMN instead of ABC? That will be easier.
Yes, you can do that. Not a problem. You can do that also. The roots will come now. Now see, this A square, B square, it is same, so I will cancel it out. So you are going to get same type of equation, whether you use element or you use ABC. Not a problem. If you are comfortable with element, yeah.
I can directly multiply it with these ratios, right? I don't have to convert these ratios to direction cosines too.
No, correct. So if I use direction ratios, when I get the value of A, B, C, I will have to write direction cosine as N is equal to A upon square root, B upon square root, and C upon square root. If you directly use direction cosine, then there is no need to again write down elements separately. That's right. So right now I am going to do, I'll find A, B, C, and then I'll write N is A upon B upon C upon. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Whichever way you are comfortable. This is one way, that is another way. So then third is A into 3, so 3A plus 4B plus 12C upon square root of 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square into square root of A square plus B square plus C square. I will take use of these three equations and try to get the value of ABC. So let me rewrite these equations in a proper way. So I have A plus 2B plus 2C upon, what is this? 4 plus 4 plus 1, square root of 9 is 3. Correct? That is equal to second equation, that is 2A plus 3B plus 6C upon 4 plus 9 plus 36. How much is that?
Upon 7.
49?
7.
Yeah, so square root of 49 is 7. And that is equal to 3A plus 4B plus 12C divided by how much this is 44
13.
and yeah 116 30 116. So now compare 1 with 2 and compare 1 with 3, you get two equations. Use Cramer's rule and get the value of ABC. So comparing 1 with 2, you get one equation. Comparing 1 with 3, you get another equation. So you have to use all three and try to solve because this is in ratios. So you have to get at least two equations for finding the three unknowns. So if I compare 1 with 2, what I will get 7A minus 6A is A. Tell me the equations quickly. Then 14 minus 9. So it is 5. And 14 minus 18. So minus 4 is equal to 6. This is one equation. And then 13 minus 9. Are you understanding what I am doing? I am comparing 1 and 3. So it will be cross multiplied. So 13 minus 9 is 4. 4A. Then 26 minus 12. 14. And then 26 minus 36. So minus 10. So this will again reduce to 2A plus 7B minus 5C is equal to 0. So this is 4 and this is 5. Solve that, you get the value of ABC. Use Cramer's rule, you get the value of ABC. So A will be, close this, minus 25 plus 28, that is 3. Minus B will be, yeah, close this.
Ma'am, it is not visible.
You can't see the equations, the one which I am writing now, down. यहाँ तक दिख रहा है ना 4 और 5 इक्वेशन दिख रहा है क्या?
Yes, ma'am, but वो equal to के आगे का नहीं दिख रहा.
Okay, just a second. Okay, now you can see.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So solve 4 and 5 and you get the values of ABC. That will give you direction ratio. So what it will become? What I was saying. First, 4th and 5th. So close A minus 25 plus 28. Do you understand what I am doing? A upon, it will be coefficients of B and C. That is 5, 7, minus 4 and minus 5. Minus B upon, close the values of B. So it is 1, 2 and minus 4, minus 5. And then C divided by 1, 2 and 5, 7. So that will give you A is equal to minus 25 plus 28, that is 3. Minus B is equal to minus 5 plus 8 is 3. And C is equal to 7 minus 10, that is minus. So this your direction ratios of x's are 3 minus 3 minus 3, or to write it in the most simplified form, you can see that 3 is common. I can write this as 1 minus 1 1 1. 1 minus 1 minus 1 or minus 1 1 1. Is it okay? Anyone you can do. Multiplicity. Direction ratios are numbers which are proportional. So 3 minus 3 minus 3 is answer. 1 minus 1 minus 1 is answer. Minus 1 1 1 is answer. All of them will give you the same equation. So these are direction ratios, and therefore direction cosines of the axis will be nothing but minus 1 upon square root of minus 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So that is root 3, comma 1 by root 3, comma 1 by root 3. Why did I pick more one? Only one term is negative. When I substitute it to get the value of cos theta, it becomes simple. Right? Okay, minimum negative signs. Okay. So now you got the direction cosines of the axis, but I want to find cos theta. That is also answered. Second question. Find the semi-vertical angle. So how do you find the semi-vertical angle? Same formula. These are the direction ratios of axis. What are the direction ratios of any of them? Here we have written the equations. You can take this equation. So cos any one equation, this or this, we get the same answer. So let me take the first answer. ABC is nothing but a direction ratio. So these are one ABC. Is it okay? समझ में आ रहा है ना? Direction ratios of the axis we took as ABC. Now what is ABC? Minus 1, 1, 1. So put it in that equation, you will get the answer. So A is minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 divided by 3 into the root of minus 1 square, that is 3. So your answer is 4, 3 by root 3, and therefore the answer is 1 by 2. So cos theta is 1 by root 3, that is theta, which is semi-vertical angle is cos inverse of 1 by 2. Is it okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in a theory exam, they may ask you such type of question for 2 marks. Okay, because now the number of questions are less. So they will ask you equation of cone. They will ask you if the vertex is 0, 0, 0, then what is the answer? So it is homogeneous equation of degree 2. Then they give you the angle cos theta, and they'll ask you what is the equation of cone. Once you get the angle, you have to substitute in the equation which we wrote a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Only thing, when it is general equation of cone, we have to take equation of general generator, that is x minus alpha, y minus beta, z minus gamma. Then only I get x, y, z. Squaring and simplifying to get the answer. Is it okay?
Ma'am, how we get the equation 5? By equating
This one?
2 and 3?
Yes, this has
No, downwards.
1 and 3.
The
1 and 3. 1 and 3.
okay, 1 and 3. Okay.
I'll write it here. 1 and 3, 1 and 2 is 4, and 1 and 3 is 5. Okay? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This was another type of question. Now there are many different type of concepts. I'll try to take them quickly. So if you have not finished writing, I'm going to share the notes. Please write it later on. So let's go to the next concept. Is it okay if we go to the next concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'll give you the question. You see whether you can try to draw the diagram. Find the equation of right circular cone. Find the equation of right circular cone with vertex at 0, 0, 10. Vertex at 0, 0, 10. Vertex at 0, 0, 10. And whose intersection with the plane XOY, whose intersection with the plane XOY is a circle of diameter 10. It's a circle of diameter 10. It's a circle with diameter 10. Try to draw, imagine the curve. You have a 3-dimensional object. Okay, this is suppose a z-axis, this is say y-axis, and this is say x-axis. Okay. So what is XOY plane? This is your XOY plane. Your parallel like this. Correct, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the point? Where is the point 0, 0, 10?
On the
It
Z
is on
axis.
the z-axis, positive z-axis. and it is intersecting the
Yes.
XOY plane in a circle of diameter 10. So what's the radius?
5.
5 is the radius. If I try to join this point here,
5.
okay, this is 5. Radius is 5 and this is 10. Here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, if I want to find the equation of right circular cone, what I require generally, I am going to use this formula only because angle between, these are all generators. Can you see? These are all generators. So angle between any of the generator and the axis. Who is the axis? Who is the axis of the cone?
Z.
Everyone is understanding. They will ask you such type of questions in MCQ. For then all these things they will give and they say then axis of the cone is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis cannot be identified. So what's the answer? Z-axis is the axis.
Z
Is it
axis.
okay? Okay. So z-axis is the axis. So what is cos theta formula? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 upon square root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into square root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. This is a standard formula that we are going to use. But for that, I should know theta. Do I know theta right now in the question? Is it given?
Yes,
Is the
ma'am.
value of theta is given in the question?
No.
So 10 is there, 5 is there, that is right angle triangle, so we can
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse.
Very good, very good. So PB is nothing but the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. This is your right angle triangle. This is your theta. So BP square is equal to OB square plus OP square. And that is 10 square
125.
plus 5 square, which is 125. And therefore BP is nothing but 5 root 5. 125 का square कैसे लिखोगे? 5 root 5 लिखोगे? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And therefore cos theta, which is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, which is the adjacent side 10
10.
upon 5 root 5. And therefore your answer is 2 upon root 5. So cos theta is what? And now you have to write down what is A1, A2, A1, A1, C1 and A2, A2, C2. So what is A1, A1, C1? A1, G1, C1 are the direction ratios of axis. So who is your axis? Which is your z-axis. So what are the direction ratios of z-axis? 0, 0,
0,
1.
0, 1.
This we did earlier. So 0, 0, 1 are the direction ratios of the axis. In this case, it is z-axis. So 0, 0, 1. Okay. Then what is A2, B2, C2? A2, B2, C2 is nothing but direction ratios of the generator.
Generator.
So that is any point x, y, z, on the generator minus the coordination of vertex. So x minus 0, y minus 0, z minus 10. These are your direction ratios of the generator. Is it okay? And now substitute that, we get the answer. That's your equation of right circular cone. Is it clear? So if you understand the geometry concept, then this is going to be very simple. So will you complete this question? So what is the final answer? It will be using 1 from 1. 2 upon root 5 will become equal to A1 into A2. So it's quite simple. It is just it is 0 into x plus 0 into y plus 1 into z minus 10 upon root of 1 into root of x square plus y square plus z square. And simplify it, you get the answer. So it is 4 into x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 5 into is it z square? Whatever I wrote, is it correct? Z square, was it? Was it z square?
Minus.
Z minus 10 the whole square.
Minus Z square, ma'am.
Whole square.
No. Now find the z square. Remember distance is what we are doing here. We are writing a square plus b square plus c square. Na? So a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square is x square plus y square plus z minus 10 square. I have written only z square. It is z minus 10 square. So it is 5 times z minus 10 the whole square. Root 5 will become 5. I squared it. So 2 square will become 4. 1 will remain as it is. This will go this side and this will become z minus 10 the whole square. So how many times 4 minus 5? So it is 4x square plus 4y square minus z minus 10 the whole square. That's the equation of right circular cone. Is it okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There are many variety of questions which are there. Okay, so I'll take one or two more and then we'll go to right circular cylinder. So first of all, is this clear to everyone? Again, if you write simultaneously, it will be possible for you all to complete. As I said, I'll share the notes. You can complete it later on. Okay. Now let me take another question. And if you have understood, you please tell me orally only the answer. Final answer we can cross check. How you will go about? At least that much you tell me. Okay. Find the equation of right circular cone. Find the equation of right circular cone. Find the equation of right circular cone. Revolving. Generated. Find the equation of right circular cone generated when a straight line. Generated when a straight line. 2x 2y plus 3z is equal to 6. 2y generated when the line 2y plus 3z is equal to 6, comma x is equal to 0, comma x is equal to 0, revolves about z-axis. Revolves about z-axis. 2y plus 3z is equal to 6, comma x is equal to 0, revolves about z-axis. Now, too much of geometry is involved here, so first of all, you should understand what is given to you. They have mentioned in the question it is a line. Isn't it? What is given in the question? Find the equation of right circular cone which is generated by a line 2y plus 3z is equal to 6, comma x is equal to 0, revolving around z-axis. So from all this statement, all this problem statement, what do you understand?
Z is the axis and the line is
Very
the
good.
generator.
Yeah. So z-axis is the axis. What it is given? The line is revolving about which line? About z-axis.
Z-axis.
About z-axis.
Z-axis.
So the line which is fixed is z-axis. Therefore, the axis of the cone. Axis of cone is z-axis. Clear. Very good. This is absolutely right. Now, can you see this equation which is written 2y plus 3z is equal to 6, comma x is equal to 0 is a line because it is in 3D.
Maybe it's in
What
y
does that
plane.
mean?
Ma'am, we can write the equation of z-axis and from the line we can find theta with the z-axis.
Yes. So we have to, very good. We have to first find theta. That's the main objective. Then only we can find the equation of right circular cone. Correct? So I should get angle between the axis and angle between the generator, one fixed generator, which is given. This is the generator. This line is revolving about z-axis, means this is one of the generator. कळतंय का? ही लाईन z-axis च्या भोवती फिरतीये. कोण कसा काम करतो? आपण एकाच पॉइंट पासून एक लाईन दुसऱ्या लाईनच्या भोवती फिरते. ते आपल्याला राईट सर्क्युलर कोन म्हणतो आणि सर्क्युलर फॅशन मध्ये होते. तर एक फिक्स लाईन दिलेली आहे. दॅट इज 2y + 3z = 6, x = 0 is the line which is fixed generator which is given to you. General generator will give you the equation of surface generator. So right now, this equation is going to be used as a fixed generator, for which I have to write this in which form to know the direction ratios. I will write it in the symmetrical format to get the direction ratios. I know what are the direction ratios of axis. Direction ratios of axis are direction ratios of z axis. What are those?
0, 0, 1.
0, 0, 1. So I know 1 A, B, C, A1, B1, C1. I know. I want to find A2, B2, C2, which I want to find with the help of this equation. So I want to do that. Just see. Okay. 2y is the way we did it for this equation. This example we had done. 6x is equal to minus 3y is equal to something 4z we had done. We divided by 12 and we got the answer. We wrote it in the symmetrical form. So this also we are going to try to write in symmetrical form as 2y is equal to 6 minus 3z, comma x is equal to 0, and 2y is equal to maybe minus 3z plus 6. So I can simplify and write this as minus 3. If you take minus,
Z.
so it will become z
Z
minus
minus
2. Z minus 2. This will become 2y, and this is x is equal to 0. Now look at the ratios. If I take the ratio of 2y with z, it will be 1. And if I take the ratio of x with 0, it will be 1. So I can compare x is to 0 with y upon half is equal to z minus 2 upon minus 1.
Minus 3. Minus 1 by 3.
Is it okay? I'm taking the ratio, I'm not dividing by 0, okay? So x is to 0 is same as y is to half is same as z minus 2 is to minus 1 by 3. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, correct.
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
So therefore, what are the direction ratios? Therefore, direction ratios of fixed generator
0, comma.
will be either this or what you can do. What is the axiom of 2 and 3?
6.
6. So what you can do? Multiply by 6 and you will get 0, 3, minus 2.
0, comma 3, comma minus 2.
Is it okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you got
Ma'am, why
the
did you
direction.
multiply?
You can take half and minus 1 by 3 also, but when you do the calculation fractions again, you have to cross multiply and get it nicely. That's why I multiplied and got it in integer form.
Okay,
You
okay.
can keep it half minus 3, 1 by 3 also, not a problem. But again, you have to do this cross multiplication to get cos theta.
Okay.
Okay. So, did you get it? How we got it? Multiply by 6. The terms which are there in the table. So we got this. And therefore, now cos theta will be product of this and this. So it is 0 into 0 plus 1 into 0 into 3 plus 1 into minus 2 divided by, is it okay? What I am doing? Product of this into this. Product of the direction ratios divided by root of 1 into root of 0 plus 3 square plus minus 2 square. So that is nothing but minus 2 upon, what is this? 9 plus 4. 13. So your cos theta you got. You got the cos theta. Okay. Now tell me, can you tell me actually what is the vertex from the generator? Can you tell me what is the vertex?
0,
Ma'am,
comma,
we
0,
can
comma
find the
2.
intersection point.
Yes.
It would be 0, comma 0, comma
0, 0,
2.
Put 0, 0, 1 in the equation.
2.
There are two ways of doing this. The equation is given to you, this equation is given to you, and we know that what is lying on z axis. Correct? So what do you do? Already x is 0, put y is equal to 0, you get the value of z. So that is what pz is equal to 6, pz is equal to 2. Are you getting it? What I am trying to say? This is the line which is intersecting the axis, and that is your vertex. Are you getting it or no?
Yes, ma'am.
How do we get vertex? Vertex is the intersection of the generator and the axis. So what is your axis? Axis is z axis. And what is the generator? One of them, this is a generator. So if I want to do the intersection of z axis and this, what is the equation of z axis? Y and x are 0. So put already x is 0, put y is equal to 0, z will be 2. So your vertex 0, 0. The vertex is this. Is it okay? It can be up, it can be down. The cone can be up or upwards or downwards. Clear? Why I wrote the vertex? Because now I want to write the direction ratios of general generator. Na? What are the direction ratios of general generator? Is x, y, z. Suppose the cone was like this above. Then the direction ratios of general generator will be x minus 0, y minus 0, z minus 2, which is this. X minus 0, y minus 0, z minus 2. That confirms that whatever you have written is right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I didn't get आपको vertex कैसे मिला वो?
हाँ. What is the meaning of vertex? Vertex is the fixed point through which the axis is also passing and the generator is also passing. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So this line is revolving about z-axis, which one of the fixed generator is this.
Yes, ma'am.
And your z-axis, about z-axis it is revolving, that means z-axis is your axis. So I have to see the intersection of these two lines. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Intersection.
So yeah, so this line will lie on z-axis if the y coordinate and x coordinate is 0. So already x is 0 given, put y is equal to 0, so you get 3z. 3z is equal to 6.
Got
So
it.
z is equal to 6.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So that is your vertex. And that's why the direction ratios of general generator are x minus 0, y minus 0, z minus 2, and direction ratios of the axis are 0, 0, 1 because z-axis is your axis, and therefore your equation of cone, right circular cone, is nothing but x into z cos theta is equal to x into 0 plus y into 0 plus z minus 2 into 1 divided by root of 1 into root of x square plus y square plus z minus 2 the whole square. Simplify this, cos theta is known to you, it is minus 2 upon root 13. Minus 2 upon root 13, square it, simplify it, you get the answer.
Ma'am, how did you get to know that it is revolving upside and not down?
That's what I said. That we have not found it right now. So it can be down also. That's what I said. If it is up.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to do that, you have to find the points which are lying on this and the cone that you are getting, and then you identify whether it is above or below.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Final answer बता सकते हो, बहुत easy है final answer.
4x square plus 4y square minus 9 z minus 2 the whole square.
It's 4 and 13. Correct. Minus 9 z minus 2 the whole square. Correct. This is the answer. Because it is x y terms are going to become 0 here. This will become 4x square, 4y square plus 4z minus 2 square, and this is 13. 4 minus 13 is minus 9. That's your answer. Clear? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, small question which was till now never asked in a theory questions, but it's very logical and it may be asked in the MCQ. That's why I'm taking it up. Please write down as equation of cone with vertex at origin. General equation of cone, not right circular cone. Okay. Equation of cone with vertex at origin. Write down that heading. Equation of cone with vertex at origin with the help of guiding curve. With the help of guiding curve. So let me just quickly tell you what we mean by guiding curve, and then we solve that example. Right now, when we are talking about right circular cone, I was moving a fixed line from a fixed point about another line in a circle, isn't it? When I'm saying constant angle, when I'm saying fixed angle or constant angle, that means it is moving in a circle. Are you getting it? Right circular cone, how did we get it? You were moving a line about another line, fixed line. Fixed line was axis. The line which is moving is generator, and the fixed point was vertex. And it was moving in a circle, along the circle. Now, if the circle is not a proper curve circle, but it is some other curve, maybe like this. Still, can I get a cone? If I rotate this point, this line about this curve, will I get a cone?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is called as guiding curve. This is called as generator, and this is the vertex. When that guiding curve is a circle, it becomes a right circle. Is it okay? The guiding curve can be ellipse. The guiding curve can be intersection of two surfaces, maybe plane and a sphere, and so on. Is it okay? Is that clear to everyone? What is the meaning of general cone with the help of guiding curve? Surface generated by moving a straight line from a fixed point along some given surface, that is called as cone generated from a guiding. Okay. Now, if the vertex is origin, what we have made a remark from right circular cone, we got a remark that if the cone has vertex as origin, then equation of the cone is homogeneous equation of degree 2. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now what we are going to do is we'll be given equations which will be of the guiding curves, and will be said vertex is origin. Find the actual equation of the cone, which is locus of the intersection of that surface which we have got. From that we are going to get a guiding curve. That guiding curve will give me a cone. Find the equation of that cone with vertex at origin. So how we are going to go about it? We are going to get a equation which is of degree 2, homogeneous, from whatever equations will be given to you. तो जो guiding curves की equation देंगे ना, उन दोनों equation को simplify करके, solve करके, हमें एक secondary equation लाना है, which will be the surface generated by the intersection of those two curves. So we take down the question, then we understand. Find the equation of cone. Find the equation of cone whose vertex is at origin. Find the equation of cone whose vertex is at origin and which passes through the curve of intersection of the plane, Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to P. Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to P, and the surface Ax square plus By square plus Cz square is equal to 1. Ax square plus By square plus Cz square is equal to 1. So how we will solve such that we are going to solve this with the help of locus, and for that what is given to us, we are given the equation of guiding curve. What are the equation of guiding curve? Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to P, and Ax square plus By square plus Cz square is equal to 1. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is given to you? Vertex is origin. So we have made a remark and we saw how it turns out to be. Equation of cone with vertex at origin is homogeneous equation of degree 2. Homogeneous equation of degree 2. Correct? So can you tell me, with the help of this, I got this conclusion. So how you are going to get the curve or the surface generated by these two equations? ये plane और degree two equation जो है ax square plus by square plus z square is equal to 1 will be some cone. इनका intersection कुछ तो guiding curve देगा. That guiding curve will be lying on the cone. So that will be satisfying the equation of cone. So from these two equations only, I should get the equation of cone, which is a homogeneous equation of degree 2. So how do you work? Think for 1 minute and tell me. कैसे करोगे? आपको ये दो इक्वेशन का यूज करके एक सेकंड डिग्री होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन लाना है क्योंकि इसी से कोन जनरेट हो रहा है. How will you do it?
मैम L और A प्रोपोर्शनल है क्या?
क्या what is it?
L and A are will be proportional.
No,
DRS
nothing. No, nothing is given like that. It's actually when you're writing the equation of plane like this now, L and N are the direction ratios of the normal to the plane that we are going to do today in the preliminaries. Okay, when I write the equation of a plane in ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, then a, b, c are the direction ratios of the normal. तो ये plane है अलग से, ये surface है, थ्री डायमेंशनल सरफेस है, इनका इंटरसेक्शन जो होगा तो मुझे कर्व देगा उसको ऐसे भी और मैं फिर से लाइक एंड यहां से मुझे जनरेट करना है कोन. तो ऑब्वियसली दिस सरफेस इज लाइंग ऑन द कोन, सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक यूज ऑफ दिस टू इक्वेशन टू गेट अ होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन ऑफ डिग्री 2. सिंपल है एंड दैट विल बी एक्चुअली द इक्वेशन ऑफ कोन. तो कैसे करोगे? आपको ये दोनों इक्वेशन को यूज करके डिग्री ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ डिग्री 2 होमोजेनियस फॉर्म कुछ सोच रहा है. कैन यू थिंक एट लीस्ट समथिंग? Use this two equation.
We can divide by p to the first equation and then equate.
Very good. Aditya will get that.
Yeah, ma'am.
Absolutely right. You want to use this two equation and you want to make one of them to be of degree 2. So from this equation I can see that lx plus my plus lz by p is 1, which I can see here. Whether you write it 1 or you write it as 1 square, it's one and the same thing. And then I can use the value of this as 1 square and substitute here. It will be satisfied. So ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to lx plus my plus lz upon c the whole square, which is the homogeneous equation of degree 2 satisfied by both these surfaces, and that those are the surfaces which are lying on the cone. That's why this is the equation of your expected. Is it clear? Very simple. And that's why that can be asked in your MCQ. So I will take that. Otherwise, generally, these never such type of questions are not there. But what is the most important part that we have used? If a cone has vertex at origin, then it is a homogeneous equation of degree 2, and it is vice versa also. If you have a homogeneous equation of degree 2, it will represent always a cone, and that's why we can assure that this is equation of a cone. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So any of the other questions also which will be given to you with vertex at origin, what you have to do or try to see which is the equation which will give you the value as of 1, okay, and then substitute it in the other equation and get the second degree homogeneous equation. So I'll quickly give you one question which is a combination of right circular cone and this concept to tell me what is the answer. Okay, do kya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, take down. That is, this is generally asked in the theory question exam also. Okay. Find the semi-vertical angle. Find the semi-vertical angle and equation of right circular cone. Find semi-vertical angle and equation of right circular cone. Right circular cone having its vertex at origin, and passing through the circle x square plus z square, is equal to 25, comma x square plus z square is equal to 25, comma y is equal to 4. X square plus z square is equal to 25, comma y is equal to 4. So two things you have to find. Find the equation of cone first and then find the right semi-vertical angle. Tell me the answer of equation of cone first. Yeah, that is quite simple. Y by 4 is 1. Okay, tell me the answer quickly.
X square plus Z square upon 25 equals to Y
25
square
25 y square equals to 16 into x square
Y.
plus z square.
Right. Z square plus Z square is 25. That's the equation. So definitely such type of questions will be there in your exam. Okay. Now tell me what is the semi-vertical angle. X square plus Z square is equal to 25, y is equal to 4. So this is your y-axis states, because z-axis and this is your x-axis. So y is equal to 4 in this. That circle will be in this plane. Can you see that? X square plus Z square is equal to 25. And your cone will be like this. Is it okay? Radius of the circle is 5. Length of the cone from the origin is 4. This is the angle made by the cone with the axis. Axis is your y-axis. So what is the angle? Then take, if you want to find hypotenuse, or even if you don't find hypotenuse and they ask you the answer in terms of tan alpha. So what will be the answer? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse.
5 by 4.
So theta will be tan inverse of 5 by 4. Or you can also find what is the value of that hypotenuse and get the answer in terms of cos inverse. So whatever is present in the option, depending on that, you are going to use the formula. Either tan theta or cos. Is this clear? Everyone? If there is any doubt, please ask. Yes?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So the last topic actually, which is there in the right circular cone, is a cone with vertex alpha, beta, gamma, not 0, 0, 0 or 0, 1, 0 or 0, 0, 10 like that. In general, with the help of guiding cone. So we have to use locus concept there by writing the equation of generator in general form and then solve it. So let's do that. One question on that type. Write down equation of cone with vertex at alpha, beta, gamma. Equation of cone with vertex at alpha, beta, gamma. And generated by the guiding curve. Generated by the guiding curve. Generated by the guiding curve. Here, this concept was used. Here also we had a guiding curve, but what was the difference? Here the vertex was 0, 0, 0. That's why we had to just convert the two equations into one equation of degree 2 and our answer was done. But now the vertex is not 0, 0, 0, it is any point alpha, beta, gamma. Then how we are going to form the equation of cone that we have to see. So the difference between the two is clear. Yeah. So let's take down the example straight away. Write down the question. Find the equation of cone. Find the equation of cone with vertex at 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Find the equation of cone whose vertex is 1, 1, 1, and base is the circle, and base is the circle. X square plus y square is the circle. X square plus y square is equal to 4, z is equal to 2. X square plus y square is equal to 4, comma z is equal to 2. Z is equal to 2. X square plus y square is equal to 4, comma z is equal to 2. Okay? So, what's your vertex? It is 1, comma 1, comma 1. This vertex will lie on the generator as well as on the axis. Maybe this is a circle. So, it can be something like this. And z is equal to 2. What is this? Z is equal to 2 means what?
It is xy plane at z is equal to
XOY plane parallel to XOY plane at a distance 2. Correct? So this is say y, this is say x, and this is your plane parallel to XOY plane at a distance 2 from the origin. This is the x. Correct? And then your circle which is there will be here. And then this is your goal. Is it okay? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
So how will you find it? You know the vertex. One of this line will generate the code. Correct? So let me write down equation. I'm going to use locus concept here. Equation of generator. What will be the equation of generator? If x, y, z is any point on the code and 1, 1 is the 1 is the vertex, then x minus 1 by a is equal to y minus 1 by b is equal to z minus 1 by c is the equation of generator. Yes or no? What is the
And we
equation
can
of
find
generator?
the direction ratio of generators, right?
Yes, you can find that. What will be those? What are those?
X
If I have
minus
2
1.
points, y minus 1, z minus 1, but I am going to use locus because this line, if I have only one direction ratio, we don't know the angle theta. Am I given anything else to find theta? If it was right circular cone, right now the base circle it is set, so it is the right circular cone, but we are not given theta, we are not given the other point also to find theta. So what I am going to do, I am going to write down x minus 1 upon a. With the help of this, we try to find what is the locus of the generator. This line will generate the surface. So what is the locus of this generator when it is moving around the circle? That we are going to find, and that will give me the actual code. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So how we are going to go about it? X minus 1 upon a is equal to y minus 1 upon b is equal to z minus 1 upon c. What is ABC? Consider that ABC are the direction ratios of a generator of this line, which we know, but I actually don't know. We are going to use A, B, C and X, Y, Z, their relation to get the locus. That's what you do now, generally in locus. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now, now this generator, where does it lie? This generator lies on this also, intersection of this two.
230.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So generator, please keep yourself muted, okay? If you are not answering. Generators lie on z is equal to 2. Therefore, what I get x minus 1 by a is equal to y minus 1 by b is equal to 2 minus 1 by c. That's 1 by c. So what is x? X is equal to a by c plus 1. X is equal to, I am comparing this. X is equal to a by c plus 1. And what is y? B by c plus 1. This x and y also lie on which curve? We have used this curve. This curve. Because those are your intersection which is giving you the code. So lie on x square plus y square is equal to 4. Therefore, a by c plus 1 the whole square plus b by c plus 1 the whole square is equal to 4. Correct? Is this okay? Yeah. So now But this is not giving me the answer in terms of x, y, z. So how will I get x, y, z? How will I get the locus? Can you see? Is there any relation between this A, B, C and x, y, z?
Ma'am, A is
Sir,
equal
what?
to x minus 1, B is equal to y minus 1, and C is equal to z minus 1.
A is equal to, yeah, wait,
X
this,
minus
if it is equal to some k, then you write x1, A is equal to x minus 1 by k and so on. You compare it with this only, na? What you want A by C. So what I will do, I take this A on top, z minus 1 down. So,
Yes,
so I get A by C directly, which we do generally in your finding the locus, which we have done. Codex standard we did this way only. We try to get it with the help of some fixed point ABC. Since I am using direction ratios, here the fixed point which I am trying to use for generating the locus is ABC, and that's why value of this equation, value of ABC from here is nothing but A by C is x minus 1 by z minus 1, and value of B by C.
Y minus 1 upon z minus 1.
B by C is y minus 1 upon z minus 1. So put that here, you get the equation in x, y, z, which is representing the pole which is passing through z is equal to 2, which is passing through the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4, and generated by this line. That will be the answer. Clear? I'll repeat the concept once again what we are doing. Here, the vertex is other than 0, 0, 0, and we are given the guiding curve, which is in degree 2 and degree 1 equation. If the vertex was 0, 0, 0, directly I would have written z by 2 is 1, put here 4 into 1 square, and substitute and get the equation of 4, which is generated by these two surfaces. Because 1, 1, 1 is vertex is 0, 0, 0, we should have a homogeneous equation of degree 2. But right now we have the vertex as 1, 1, 1. So directly I don't know what will be the value of that final equation, for which I have to make use of generator. So let me write down what is the equation of general generator. If I know any 2 points on a generator, then one of the way of getting direction ratios are subtract the coordinates. So 1, 1, 1 is 1 point on the generator, x, y, z is any point on the generator. X minus 1, y minus 1, z minus 1 are the direction ratios of the generator. Let A, B, C be the generator, with the help of which I am going to create the entire code. So that's why x minus 1 by A, y minus 1 by B equal to z minus 1 by C is the equation of generator. Now this generator should lie on the guiding curve. Is it okay? So what's the guiding curve? This two equation. So it should satisfy these two equations. So put z is equal to 2, you will get this equation which gives you value of x and y in terms of A, B, C. X, y satisfy this equation also because it's the guiding curve. So I substituted x, y in that equation and got such type of equation which is A by C plus 1 the whole square plus B by C plus 1 the whole square. But I want equation of 4 which should be x, y, z. So for generalizing it, we will try to put the value of A by C and B by C with the help of x, y, z equation 1. So A by C is x minus 1 by z minus 1. B by C is y minus 1 by z minus 1. Substitute this in this equation 2, you get the equation of 4. Therefore, equation of 4 is x minus 1 upon z minus 1 plus 1 the whole square plus y minus 1 upon z minus 1 plus 1 the whole square is equal to 4. Simplify this, you get the answer. Is it okay? Clear? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So that these are all. Yeah.
Ma'am, we can also do this question by shifting of origin.
Yes, 1, 1, 1 can be shifted to 0, 0, 0, and then you get something like this only. This very good. After x minus 1, y minus 1, z minus 1, this point you get because you are shifting the origin and then directly convert the equation to homogeneous equation of degree 2. That is also fine. Correct. This is for general because here now the point was also 1, 1, 1. Directly we could go ahead and say simplify it. Even if it is some other point A, B, C, let us say 1, minus 2, 3, you can shift the origin from there, shift the point from vertex 1, minus 2, 3 to 0, 0, 0, get the answer and get in this one. That is also good, correctly. Is it clear? So these are all possible concepts of code. The first one is right circular cone, which is very important. In that we make use of angle between two lines. If it is given directly, it's very simple. If it is not given, some point will be given. Find theta first, and then move on finding the equation of cone. If point is not given, three lines will be given. You have to use the concept of angle between these lines and axes are same. Get the answer. Then you may be given some geometry. That base curve is the circle, which is the intersection of x or y plane. You'll be able to get the vertex. Get the right angle triangle. From that you get cos theta, and then you can find the equation of cone. You'll be given the line of axis line in terms of not symmetrical form, but in the form of 6x is equal to minus 3y is equal to 4z, which you have to convert in symmetrical form, or of the type 2y plus 3z equal to 6, x is equal to 0. Then convert it to the symmetrical form, get the value of theta, then get the value of right circular cone. The one more last part which is there is quadratic cone. You try to go through some links on. I also have the notes. I'll share with you all. What is the meaning of quadratic cone? Okay, that's the homework that you can take for today. What do you mean by quadratic cone? It's a cone which is passing through all coordinate axes. Can you imagine all three coordinate axes? X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. So it is coming out. It will be coming out from your lens. This is X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis, and the cone will be coming out from one of the generator will be maybe one of the generator is this, one of the generator is this. So obviously vertex will be origin. What is the common point of all three coordinate axes?
Origin.
So
Origin.
yes. So intersection of these lines is origin. So vertex of quadratic cone should be an origin, and that's why it will be a homogeneous equation of degree 2. But it will be special type. So try to find out what is quadratic cone and how do you get the equation of that quadratic cone. Okay. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll take break of 5 minutes, and then we'll come back. We'll start with the right circular cylinder, for which I'll require equation of projection of a line, which is going to be taken by Prathamesh for as an advanced learner activity. Okay. So we'll start with that in 5 minutes, and then